Hey guys, so I want to talk about goal setting for a minute and letting go. So this is really, really important, and this has really been coming up a lot lately. So I'm like, it's time to make a video about this. One of the things that's so important is obviously setting goals for yourself. So you set goals every single day. I want to get a new job. I want to make more money. I want to be in a relationship. I want to have a great day, etc., etc. And goals are absolutely amazing to set for yourself. Where the problem really happens for people is, now this problem is a contributing factor to law of attraction, if you believe in that, and manifestation. And it's also a factor in terms of how motivated you are to achieving your goal, because you can set intentions, you can set goals for yourself, but you actually have to take action towards achieving the goal that you set out to want in your life, right? So one of the biggest things that I see people really struggling with is the ability to let go. Once you set this goal for yourself, you literally have to let go of needing the control of wanting to know, when is it going to happen? How is it going to happen? Where is it going to happen? I want it to happen right now. When you are in that control ego space of wanting to know all of those answers, or quite frankly, wanting what you want right now, and when it doesn't happen for you, then you start to feel that lack feeling or that fear feeling. You are basically resisting the thing that the universe or whatever is trying to bring to you. So any goal that you set for yourself, no matter what it is, it's achievable, right? You want to make $1 million? You can make $1 million. You want to buy a new house? You can buy a new house. Like all of these things. You want a great relationship? You can have that. What's going to stand in your way from you actually achieving those goals is fear and lack. And also letting go of the outcome of needing to know when all of this is going to happen. Because chances are, when you set something for yourself, you want it right now, right? Like when you think about all the goals that you set for yourself, they're usually, hey, I actually want it right now. Can I please get it right this second? And because life and the universe doesn't work like that, you have to wait. What you're actually supposed to be doing in that time of waiting is trusting. And not even just like trusting, because to me that's almost still like wishful thinking, like hoping, but you have to really work on your self-worth to know that these things are going to happen. That's a huge piece towards anything. Self-motivation, procrastination, law of attraction is not just like setting these intentions for yourself, but also having a very clear knowing that I deserve this. Because when you set something for yourself and you put it way on a pedestal, you put it so above you that it seems so unattainable, and especially when it's not happening right away, that frustrates you even more, and then it seems even more unattainable, and you just are resisting and resisting. You've now put something above you. And when something's above you, you don't feel like you're worthy of that thing. So whenever you set goals for yourself, in order to keep yourself moving forward, you have to align with it. You have to know not only is it going to happen, but I don't need control over when it's going to happen. That ability to let go will really start actually bringing these things into your life. And letting go is as simple as being aware that you're in the resistance, being aware that you want it to happen right now and it's not, and it's frustrating you, and you're in that space, being aware of that and letting that go, and knowing, whether it's an affirmation or whatever it is that you have to say to yourself, just then knowing that like, I don't need it to happen right now. It doesn't matter if it happens right now. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. And just reminding yourself of that constantly. And all you need to do is be taking action towards getting to where you want to be. That's the only thing that you need to be concerned with every single day.